Question number 1. Who is known as the father of computers? The correct answer is option A, Charles Babbage. Question number 2. What does CPU stand for? The correct answer is option B, Central Processing Unit. Question number 3. The first mechanical computer was invented in which year? The correct answer is option B, 1822. Question number 4. What was the first programming language? The correct answer is option B, Fortran. Question number 5. What does RAM stand for? The correct answer is option B, Random Access Memory. Question number 6. Which of the following is not an operating system? The correct answer is option C, Oracle. Question number 7. The shortcut key for cut is? The correct answer is option A, Control plus X. Question number 8. What does GUI stand for? The correct answer is option A, Graphical User Interface. Question number 9. Which file extension is used for a Word document? The correct answer is option B, DOCX. DocX. Question number 10. Which of the following is not an input device? The correct answer is option C, monitor.